I'm Karleigh Krieg. I'm a process engineer here at the Domino sugar refinery in Baltimore, Maryland. And behind me right now is the pan house where we crystallize sugar. I ended up working in the sugar industry because I have a background in environmental engineering. I have a graduate certificate in sustainability, and I also did research on converting biomass into biofuels using the principles of sugar chemistry. It takes my education in engineering and my interest in sugar chemistry and combines both of them into making raw sugar turn into a finished product. Something you might not know about sugar is that it is in fact not bleached. What goes into it is raw sugar gets washed, melted, filtered, and crystallized. We have people who work on our control systems, like control engineers or control technicians. And we also have people who work in the lab, like lab supervisors, lab analysts, that make sure we're meeting all our key performance indicators.